Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of 12th class, how are you? I think you are all well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. My dear students, in the last class, I discussed about narration or speech. In the last class, I also discussed three changing items which is very essential for changing narration from direct speech to indirect speech. In the last class, I have discussed details about changing of person. My dear students, today I will discuss about changing tense. You know, tense is a very vital element, vital item, which is very much essential for changing speech or narration. My dear students, you are watching that tense poribarton means changing of tense. Reporting ভার্বটি যদি প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্স হয়, if reporting verb is present or future tense, then reported speech এর টেন্সের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না. The tense of reported speech will remain same. অর্থাৎ কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না. অর্থাৎ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্স হলে রিপোর্টিং স্পিচের টেন্স অপরিবর্তিত অবস্থায় থাকবে. নেক্সট, রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব পাস্ট টেন্স হলে, অর্থাৎ ইউ আর ওয়াচিং দ্যাট হি সেড. সেড মিন্স হেয়ার রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব ইজ সেড. হেয়ার সেড ইজ এ পাস্ট ফর্ম. ইফ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব ইজ পাস্ট ফর্ম, then the reported tense of reported speech will be same past tense, অর্থাৎ অনুরূপ past tense. Now you notice on the whiteboard, present indefinite tense হলে past indefinite হবে. অর্থাৎ রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা যদি past ফর্ম হয় ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে, ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচটা অনুরূপ past tense, অর্থাৎ past indefinite হবে. He said, I eat rice. You are noticed that I eat rice is a present indefinite tense. এটা পরিবর্তন হইয়া past indefinite tense হবে. অর্থাৎ he said that he ate rice. He said that he ate rice. রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা যদি প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়, রিপোর্ট স্পিচটা অনুরূপ পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে, পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হবে. রানা সেড, হেয়ার সেড ইজ এ পাস্ট ফর্ম. I am going to college. I am going to college is a present continuous tense, and this present continuous tense will be same past tense, means past continuous tense. Rana said that, here that will be added removing comma and inverted comma. Rana said that he was going to college. He was going to college. Next, reporting verb যদি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হয়, রিপোর্টেড স্পিচটা অনুরূপ পাস্ট টেন্স অর্থাৎ পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হবে. Here Ruel said, said is a past form, and reported speech I have done my duty. I have done my duty is a present perfect tense. This present perfect tense will be same as past perfect tense. Ruben said that he, I first person, subject অনুযায়ী he have এর জায়গায় past perfect এর কারণে had, he had done my duty, his duty. That means Ruben said that he had done his duty. Then reporting verb in present past tense, reported speech যদি past perfect tense হয়, present perfect reported speech যদি present perfect continuous tense হয়, here he has been writing a letter. This is a present perfect continuous tense, and as reporting verb is a past form, then this present perfect continuous tense will be same past perfect continuous tense. So we can say that Abdullah said that he has been a জায়গায় had been. He had been writing a letter. Thereafter, if reporting verb is past form and reported speech is past indefinite tense, then it will be changed to past perfect tense. You are watching that past indefinite equal to past perfect. I said, that means the answer of this sentence will be, I said that I went there at জায়গায়, I had gone there. I had gone there. Past continuous tense, if reported speech is a past continuous tense, then it will be changed to past perfect continuous tense, as the reporting verb of this sentence is past form. So we can say that Runa said that I will be she, as subject will be changed, first person will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Runa said that she had been singing a song. My dear students, in this way you will have to change your tense. That means if reporting verb is past form, then the reported speech will be same as past tense. And thereafter also one item, that means word, changing of word. You will have to practice the changing of word. Then we will enter into 5 kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative, and exclamatory sentence. Then we will go into passage narration, which item will come into your examination, and in this way you will be fully you will understand clearly this item narration or speech. My dear students, you will have to be sincere about your health, as the corona situation is still remaining in Bangladesh as well as throughout the world. So you will have to be careful about your health and your surroundings. I advise you to remain your residence as far as possible, and if you go outside of your residence, you will have to follow the rules of health. Always you will keep your mask and maintain social distance and so on. Thanking you all for watching my class. Allah Hafiz.